Hi, it's Rod here with Greenstone. Today I'm standing in the packaging and shipping department at our factory in Brandon, Manitoba. In this station, the labeled panels are neatly stacked into bundles, which have been optimized for shipping efficiency. These bundles are stacked on top of wooden pallets, which make it easy to forklift the bundles on and off the trucks. These bundles are wrapped with a weatherproof barrier, making it safe to store your bundles outside till you're ready to put your building together. These bundles are clearly labeled so that you know exactly which panels are inside. When you're ready to put your panels together, you'll know exactly where they are. If you want to find out more about how ice panels are made, head on over to gsbp.ca.